Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today I'm going to share with you what I think is the best and most important accessory you should have if you have a DJI Pocket. And get this, it's under 10 bucks. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now this $10 accessory is going to expand everything that you can do with the DJI OSMO Pocket.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now this accessory that I'm going to share with you that's under $10 is going to expand how you can use your DJI OSMO Pocket, especially since there aren't a lot of accessory out there. But some of you, like me, may have one of these. So you see this? This is actually a GoPro mount that I can attach to something, and it has this special mounting bracket, which you cannot use today. Here's a traditional GoPro mounting bracket. You can't use this today. Hey, you know what? I have right here with me a selfie stick, and you can't use this today either with the DJI OSMO. So what do? Well, we're going to talk about this little accessory that I have right here that is 10 bucks, and it's going to open up all those other accessories and make your DJI Pocket even better. Let's check it out. Now guys, this little thing here is called the DJI OSMO expansion board, and it has a 1/4 and 3/8 thread for accessories. So think about that for a second. The other thing that it has is this area that opens up and it locks your OSMO in. So I'm going to show you all the things you can connect to this and how you can expand your use of your DJI OSMO. So let's start with the first accessory. Now I'm sure you're familiar with this guy right here. So this is an expansion mount, one of the primary mounts that you'd have with the GoPro. So the neat thing about this is that if you attach it to this thing right here, all you got to do is turn it around like this. Now you have a mounting mechanism that's going to support any kind of GoPro accessory. So remember, you're going to put your DJI OSMO here, and you're going to see that in a second. And now all of a sudden, this guy that I have right here is going to allow you to connect this here. So think about all the DJI OSMO expansions tools. So I'm going to connect this, and then I can use this accessory that I have right here simply by sliding this into this connection. So these two things combined really expand things. And all I had was this little bracket. Now let me show you how that looks or how it works. So here I went ahead and in this bracket I connected my DJI OSMO, and then you'll notice right here, here's that GoPro accessory that is again readily available and really inexpensive on Amazon. And then here's a standard GoPro mount. Now what this is going to do is it's going to open every single GoPro accessory that exists out there is going to be able to be compatible with the OSMO. Now notice that this is again a GoPro connector. All I have to do is slide this in here and I'm done. And the same thing is with helmets, with any kind of accessory that you want to connect this to, because this is going to give you the expansion to do that. Let me show you another accessory. Now the next accessory is this little guy right here. So this is a little shoe mount, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten it in here again. So as I tighten this up, this is going to again open up a wide variety of accessories that I can use. So now this is what it looks like. So now I have it here, and guess what? Now I have this selfie stick, which has this camera mount that I use, and I can actually shoe mount it here. Notice that. Tighten it up, and once I tighten this up, we're going to go ahead and tighten it up really nice and tight. I have on this selfie stick, take a look at that. This is how it looks. And I can have now the GoPro here, or in this case, the DJI OSMO here, and I can put my phone right here. I also have a cable that's coming in that I'll include in the link that's going to allow me to connect, because you can do one of two things. You could do a USB-C to USB-C cable from here to your phone, or there's some adapters that allow you to use the existing port that you have right here so that you can have this one open for other things. So once again, now I have a selfie stick that is using both the DJI OSMO Pocket as well as my phone as the viewer, and I can use this to expand pretty far. And it also has a tripod because it has a tripod base. So once again, expanding the the possibilities when it comes with the OSMO. So the next accessory is really pretty much the mount that you would have in any standard tripod. So notice I went ahead and tied that in right there. You'll notice how the back works right here. And now I can connect this to a standard tripod and still use the DJI OSMO. And this would be great, especially if I'm going to use that follow me or tracking technology. So I can tap on someone and imagine yourself being in a wedding and then just tracking the couple and how the OSMO is going to pan from left to right and keep them always in focus and tracked. So again, expanding the use of the OSMO Pocket. So what did you think about this nifty little accessory? Again, under $10 and it's going to expand the whole new world of accessories for you for your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let me know in the comment area, what would you use? What other accessories would you connect to this bracket? And if you're going to pick one of these up. I already have it, and I love it, and it's expanded how I use my Pocket greatly. Let me know in the comment area what you're doing with yours. See you in the next one.